How does wind affect stack effect in high-rise fires? Have you ever wondered how wind impacts the behavior of fires in tall buildings? The stack effect is a fascinating phenomenon that plays a significant role in high-rise fires. It involves the movement of air through a building due to temperature differences. Warm air rises and escapes through openings at the top, while cooler air is drawn in from below. This creates a natural airflow that can greatly influence how a fire behaves and how smoke spreads. Now let's see how wind interacts with this stack effect. First, wind pressure can change airflow patterns. When wind hits a building, it creates pressure differences. On the side facing the wind, the air pressure increases, pushing air inside. On the opposite side, the pressure drops, pulling air out. This can either boost or counteract the stack effect. For instance, strong winds can increase the pressure difference, speeding up the movement of smoke and hot gases through stairwells and elevator shafts. Next, wind can create a dangerous wind tunnel effect. During a fire, wind can push smoke into stairwells and escape routes. This can make conditions very unsafe for both firefighters and people trying to evacuate. In some cases, smoke can travel up many floors in just minutes, as seen in the 1993 World Trade Center bombing. The combination of stack effect and wind led to rapid smoke spread. Wind direction and speed are also key factors. The impact of wind on the stack effect depends on how fast it blows and from which direction. Higher wind speeds can increase pressure differences, amplifying the stack effect, especially on upper floors. Wind blowing straight against the building can create stronger suction on the leeward side, affecting how smoke and air move. Firefighters need to consider these wind effects when planning their ventilation strategies. Wind-driven stack effect can cause smoke to move unpredictably, which can be dangerous. It's essential to control openings like stairwell doors and elevator shafts to manage airflow and limit smoke spread. If doors are not sealed properly, more air can enter, increasing the intensity of the stack effect influenced by wind. Environmental conditions also play a role in how the stack effect behaves. Temperature differences between the inside and outside air drive this effect, but wind can either support or disrupt it. In colder weather, cold wind entering lower floors can boost the inflow of cold air, enhancing the upward movement of warm air and smoke. Conversely, in hot weather, the stack effect may behave differently. For firefighters and other high-risk professionals, understanding how wind affects the stack effect is essential. They often work under extreme and unpredictable conditions. Firefighters in high-rise fires must be ready for how wind can change smoke movement and fire behavior quickly. This is similar to how storm chasers predict sudden weather changes. In practical terms, managing the stack effect influenced by wind involves a few strategies. First, ensure that stairwell and elevator shaft doors are sealed to reduce unwanted air movement. Second, use mechanical ventilation systems carefully to control airflow. Third, monitor wind conditions closely during firefighting operations to adapt tactics as needed. Finally, recognize that wind-driven stack effect can cause smoke to spread faster than expected, requiring quick evacuation and effective smoke control. Wind can significantly increase the intensity and complexity of the stack effect during high-rise fires. This poses challenges for fire safety and emergency response, making it vital for firefighters to stay alert and prepared.